Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher, Miss Sitwat. I hope you all are fine and revising all the given work. So today we will recite Surah Al-Kawthar
Ayat 1.
With the English translation. Okay, so get ready and listen to the Surah Al-Kawthar and revise it.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر
To the have, we guaranteed the fountain of Kawthar.
إنا أعطيناك الكوثر
To the have, we guaranteed the fountain of Kawthar. You will learn Surah Al-Kawthar
Ayat 1.
with the English translation at home. So take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.